Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change YouTube video from private to public. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and leave a like on the video. First of all, log into your account and then hit on this profile icon. Here we have to hit on YouTube Studio, and once you are in the studio we need to click on the content, and then you will able to see all of your videos. As you can see, these two videos are private and I want to be them to be public. How I can do that? Just hit on the private button and then you will see these options where we have to tick on public and just hit on publish, and yeah, you are done. This is how you can publish your videos from private. And also if you want to schedule them, you can do that as well, because YouTube have give you the option. If I click on the private, then you can see the schedule option is there. Just hit on this arrow button and you will able to see these options where we can select the date on which we want our video to be uploaded. So let's suppose I select the 1st of December, and you can select the time as well. So 2 AM is perfect for me, and this is how I can schedule the video. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can change YouTube video from private to public. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.